Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to consume sea moss gel. This natural superfood, derived from red algae, is packed with essential minerals. It's gaining popularity for its potential to boost your overall wellness. We'll cover various ways to easily incorporate it into your daily routine, from drinks to meals. Get ready to discover simple methods to enjoy this beneficial gel and enhance your health journey. Incorporating sea moss gel into your diet is surprisingly simple. A popular method is blending 1 to 2 tablespoons into your morning smoothie or juice for an easy nutrient kick. You can also stir it into warm oatmeal, yogurt, or even applesauce. Beyond internal use, many people apply it directly to their skin as a natural, hydrating face mask. It's incredibly versatile. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, for those of you focused on healthy eating and meal prep, make your life easier with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your healthy meals fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. When starting with sea moss gel, begin with 1 to 2 tablespoons daily and observe how your body responds. If you prefer making your own, simply soak dry sea moss in water overnight, then blend it with fresh water until smooth. For optimal freshness, store your homemade or store-bought gel in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It typically stays good for up to 3 weeks. Some fine sea moss gel has a subtle ocean taste, which is easily masked by strong fruit flavors in smoothies. For a smoother texture, ensure you blend it thoroughly into your liquids. Don't be afraid to get creative. You can also add it to soups or sauces, where it acts as a natural thickener while boosting the nutritional content. It's all about finding what works best for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.